Yo. All right, what's up, YouTube? What's up, TikTok? Good to be here with you guys. Happy Wednesday or whatever day it is. Let's get it. Swaggy D. What up, Roddy G? Let's get it. Let's fully get it. Let's not fuck around. I know a lot of you guys are fucking around and, you know, chasing your dreams, and Then on weekends you're getting drunk and you just keep fucking around. Right now is not the time to fuck around. So let's have a look over here. Inner Zooms. Bro, you got to change your name. Oh, I think I said that once before and you said this is my actual name. Sorry. What's up, my brother? It's time. So let's do a bit of a top down here. Just do it. Let's do a top down here and just see where we're at real quick on gold. Let's get it. Weekly's doing whatever. What up, Annie? Very strong daily close yesterday, but we've just massively like rejected. No wicks have been created. We just rejected. So we're pushing down now. Wow, look at these 4 hours. So these are pretty strong bearish 4-hour candles. Okay. I see how it is, Mr. 4-hour. This one's got a big top wick. Just call me inner. Okay, perfect. Thank God, bro. Thank you for that. So much better. Hope you've been trading pretty well, man. I know you're a good trader, so hope you had a good month. That's the thing as well, you guys are coming to the end of the month, so see what's up at the end of the month. Interesting structure. I could see us continuing down here. I mean, we've got clean traffic below. There's no denying we have clean traffic below. What up, Bluey? What is up, my friend? I'm just going to leave that for now because we could either catch a bounce off this or a break below. Breaks above this level here at, 3.4, 3.1 aren't the most ideal. We've got some shit on the way up. What's it look like on the 30? Is it clean? Yeah, it's clean on the 30. Maybe. I'll leave that level there for now. Okay. Yep. Is it 4:30 for you right now, Pez? So that's what I'm looking at here for gold, you guys. Let's have a quick look over here at NQ. Oh, interesting levels here at NQ. We could see a big breakout of either side here. I don't even need to look at any other time frames to know that we've got big breakouts to either side here. Wow. Is that all time? No. Yeah, we've got big... I mean, I don't know if you're going to be able to catch it. But yeah, big breakouts to either side here on Quizzle. Interesting. And Quizzle Manizzle. Oops. Sick. Sick as. I'll put this here. Cool. We got some good range here on both NQ and gold. Coming to the end of the month, got to be like stay on your toes. Don't get loosey goosey with any of this. But yeah, very cool. Big John.
I know one day I'll look back and remember the person I was.
What up, Shab?
His pain with the clutches of drugs. I won't be angry or regret.
Can you give me free mentorship?
On my own and just know I overcame the hardest thing.
No, it's not gonna be work. It's not gonna be a good idea.
It's hard to justify.
Watching from Canada, sick.
But I've struggled. You keep telling yourself tomorrow is the day you'll let go. And everyone will tell you to change. Just stop being this way.
Sick.
You're gripping your fucking hair, screaming out the same.
So we'll see what this candle wants to do here.
Was enough.
No, fuck it. I'm going to get a new mouse today. I've had enough. 1 hour exhaustion. Exhausted. 1 hour exhausted. I mean, you could look at that, or you could say it tried to push back up, but failed. Yeah, I don't know. Big Cash, what up, bro? My boy's cashed up, son. Hi from North Korea. Yeah, nice. Very sure. In Dubai, you can just order a mouse and it will be there. Yeah, it'll come tomorrow. But I don't know. I still don't like ordering shit online. Like I was going to order a little Bluetooth thing just today, actually. I was like, I don't know. I still like to go in and like buy shit. I wish they just had an Office Works here. Does anyone know any like office like equipment type shops in Dubai Marina? Creating a FEG? I'll give you something to create. Back from holiday, nice. W. Shibby. Go to Dragon Mart. I'm going to write that down. I'm going to take a photo of that. Same day, maybe. I don't know. Yo, Dia, back from the dead. Good to see you, brother. Welcome back. My boy's been freaking hiking through the mountains and what up, Rex? Triathlon training, yeah, fuck. Sick. Back at it though, back at it. Hi guy from Somalia, take you time. Thank you, brother. Yeah, NQ's at a very interesting spot, man. I'd love to catch a trade or breakout, but yeah, I think it's going to be a fucking bit of a lottery strategy to try and catch it. What up, Midnight? God damn it, I love when it's just a normal name like Midnight. It's a normal name. Candle Killer. Yeah, that's what I hear up in the thing, Pez. Yeah, we're gonna need to do a full banger. Is there a way to tell if the market's gonna be choppy? Yeah, pretty much. Just mainly the size of the candles and if they're printing side by side. Just look at the candles. Like if it looks like this, you kind of chop sueyed. Although you got one impulsive candle, then it went back to chop suey for another like an hour and a bit. Yeah, biggest sign is just the size of the candles and if they're printing side by side mainly. What up, Adolf? What do you think about CRT strategy? Candle range theory. I don't know. Anything sounds just whatever. Sherlock. Check. Check. So yeah, got some pretty clear levels marked out here, and you know, we'll just see what happens. I took a little sell position here. I didn't go too heavy on it earlier today. You know, kind of a break below this level. This candle broke below, retested, pushed. It was quite overextended, so that's why I didn't go too heavy. But I mean, I'll take, you know, nearly 500 Australian dollars. What happened to Nvidia? Did Nvidia drop or something? What's Bitcoin doing? 4 hour and Forex. Wow, super bearish on Forex. 4 hours as well. Got some sort of trend line. Big top wick on it. Yeah, I'm pretty bearish over here today. What do you think about Tanzania women? Bro, we've done this. Yeah, I had a quick scan through Pez. The only thing I would say is try to make your camera thing a bit smaller. That's the only thing. But yeah, I'm sure. From what I scanned through, it was fine. It's just kind of, yeah. Let's try and get. If we just put ourselves in the shoes of a very beginner, this is trading view. This is how you fucking switch to Bing Bong Banana. No, it was good. Check the 4 hour chart. It's confirmed buy. All right, if I check this 4 hour chart and it's confirmed buy, I'll click buy. Brother! Red, 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 red. Where's the confirmed buy? Where? Because all I can see is red. Are you gay, sir? Yeah, bro's charts are upside down. Did you Raj's monthly? Bro, why am I coughing? Hopefully I'm not sick. How are you adjusting to Dubai? There was no adjusting needed. I just rocked up and got back to work. But yeah, I like Dubai. Thank you, Wasim. Why are people calling you so like formal as fuck? Bro. Hey, you guys, make sure you drop a thumbs up for the stream live every day here on YouTube for the London session. So if you're new here or if you're cool or whatever, just drop a thumbs up for the stream. Helps the algorithm bring heaps of supermodel chicks to the stream. So if you want more chicks in the chat, you're gonna have to smash that like button and subscribe if you're not already. What's rent like there? Pretty expensive. Oh, it depends where you go. Yeah, it just depends where you go, like anywhere. Watching your stream with my son. Oh, I'll try not to say any profanities. All right, looks like we're about to close below this level. Micro moves to sell side. Do you think it's a good idea to take a sell after that breakout? Not really. Yeah, gonna have to have a look here and see if anything specific can happen. Yeah, sick Pez. Hi Dan, Timo here, Lebanese living in Tanzania. Graph dog. So about to close below this level. So here's the interesting thing now. You know, we've moved from resistance, breakthrough support, nearly 70 pips, Does anyone know? Is anyone going to take a sell here? Nice closure. No. Yeah. The thing here, what we're going to need, man, it's tough because it can definitely leave. Yeah, going to need like ideally a bit of green like this or some sort of structure other than this. Is too much red. It can totally leave here. So we'll see. Hey, why'd you decide to start a YouTube channel / mentorship instead of just trading? I'm new here. Seem like a chill guy, like the vibe. I mean, I was always trading, then I just started live streaming. Yeah, I just started live streaming and people started showing up to live stream. And then people started asking questions, so I thought I'd start making videos about the questions. Then people started asking me to teach, so I said, okay, I'll teach. That's kind of how it happened. I enjoy teaching. I've always been a personal trainer, manager, a bodybuilding coach. Like I've always managed teams and taught in some capacity, so I actually enjoy teaching as well. Have you heard of the Maddie? Oh, hey. I've already got done with that one before, bucko. Not today, pal. Not today, pal. Nah, I disagree, Glenn. It's just my system. I don't use anything lower than the 15. You look like an actor. I am. I'm Johnny Sins. Danny Sins. Danny Sins. Someone posted my alter ego in the Discord one time. Danny Sins. Yeah, you guys are sleeping on the alter ego. Wow. Can I get a, hey mentor, can I get a physical mentorship with you? I'm Nigerian. Oh, hey mentor, can I get a physical mentorship with you, but I'm in Nigeria? What the fuck am I gonna do with you people? Hey bro, can I have $100, but I live on the moon? Okay, I guess I'll make that make sense somehow. No, I don't go any lower than the 15-minute time frame in the Beninging. Just click teleport, eh? Any reply from Tori yet? Nah, go Central. She hates me. She thinks I'm ugly. I'll never be like those other trader guys. So yeah, we'll see what happens here. Price starting to reject here. We need a bit of green, you guys. African Americans. Love the patience. Now I know not to be impulsive and jump on a trade just because it broke out. Yes. Yep. You need confirmation. You need certain confirmations. You need certain confirmations. Like if we didn't have these rules, we would just constantly be losing trades like this. Like technically this broke out and technically this broke below. Right? But we know like the nuances of it. Like we moved all the way from resistance, fucking just one color. Like, you know, you just got to stick to the rules, my dudes. Nah, if it's closed green, I don't know what I'll be looking for just yet. Oh, look at NQ right here. I was going to say on the hour, it looks like the hour is ready to keep pushing through. Would love it. Oh, and the 30. Yeah, this is probably going to drop. Oh, and the... Fuck, I might take an impulse here. Should I take an impulse? Should I take an impulse? You entered? Yeah, I'm probably gonna have to wait for a closure, but this could drop. This could keep dropping. I'm not gonna look at it so I don't feel FOMO. You're in? Relax, it's gonna reverse, probably. But I do feel like, you know, the way it's structured, it's not probably gonna give the cleanest breakout opportunity. It's probably just gonna drop. But we'll see. If it can close below here and retest, I'll be looking at an NQ sell. Watching Dan break the rules. No, but like it's not necessarily a break of the rules. Sometimes there is a case for an impulse sell or buy. Where can you learn those rules? From me. $4 billion per rule. No, I'll drop, just keep watching the stream. We drop like little nuggets. Just watch the stream. We drop nuggets on the stream. I'll drop a nugget all over the screen. Type shit. Dropped the nugget this morning. Nice. Yeah, it's got to be done. I'd love if gold could come back into this range, pull back, and then take a sell here. That'd be freaking really nice. And I'd also love if my eyes didn't burn every time I looked at the screen, but you know, beggars can't be choosers. Yeah, I would have already had my take profit down there. Yeah, that was kind of, I was thinking in my head, like if you can get a sell there and just ride it to below this wick. Yeah, that was the impulse I wanted to be a part of. Bit of a shame. Your boy knows how to read the charts, my dudes. That's the thing about like when all time frames kind of lined up like that. And I was saying, as soon as I jumped on the stream, I was saying you're probably not going to get a clean breakout if you're trying to catch this move that it's doing right now. And this is what I mean by that. Yeah, that's a bit painful. I better not watch that. I'm feeling emotions come up. I'm actually going to delete NQ out of my watch list now. It's gone. She's gone. Yeah, I've got some blue light glass on the way. They're just taking ages. Your opinion on Nick? Just some random person named Nick. Hey, you know Nick? What's your opinion on him? It's the same opinion I have on Bob. What's your opinion on Greg? Yeah, now that we miss out, we can take a L on gold, exactly. You have a lot of fake accounts DM me? I like Greg. Yeah, Greg's a top bloke. C4, bro. I'm already caffeined up. I've had like 7 coffees already. Your boy's been up since 3:30. So I'm caffeinated. Caffeinated? Why would somebody trade NASDAQ in the London session? Laugh face. Hey, bro, want to know why? Because it just moved 100 pips, stupid. Sorry. But people always say this kind of shit and laugh about it like they're the GOAT. And it's like, hey, bro, why do people even trade NASDAQ in the London session? This is why, dude. Greg. So. Sipping Johnny Walker. So we'll see, man. See, man. Probably crash out, thank you. Nah, people say all the time like that about NQ. I'm like, hey, bro, do you not know when the bing bong? Like, Try increase air humidity. Really? Nah, it's from looking at a screen that's closed. Like I look at, like, first thing I do is wake up at 3:30 a.m., jump straight on the computer and trade the Asia sesh. So like, I'm like, the first thing I do when I wake up is like a fucking screen. Why do people trade it? You mentioned on a podcast, you trade multiple accounts, for example, make. Yes. No, they're all linked, Abdul. They're all linked. So right now, 5 50K accounts are linked. So when I make whatever on this account, it's that times 5. That's right, NDI. Want to do today? Hey, Ari. It's probably a bit loud in the background, but I've got to throw the aircon on. I mean, if your eyes aren't hurting enough, throw air conditioner on. This thing is banger. I can't hear it. I wonder what it is. This thing is banger. I'm going to play night golf tonight. Wow, Matrix. So it looks like we're breaking back into this range here. Bitcoin's dropping. Cool. Literally barely moving. All good. What up, Moonlight? Can you show us your living area? No, I can't move the camera. I've got it on my YouTube and shit. Like my YouTube has vlogs. Vlogs. I'm gonna open this because yeah, my eyes are burning spears. What stopped you from taking this trade on gold? Just the fact that it moved one color all the way from resistance. Right, moved all that way, one color. So in these type of scenarios, you get a breakout that just moves from resistance one color. You're going to typically need like a green candle to print outside that breakout range or some sort of structure. Ideally, like right now, I'd love to see like a pullback like this and take a sell from up here and write it down. But yeah, you never really want to take these overextended ones. Bro, are you standing? Yes, I'm standing, bro. You don't want to take these overextended bangers. Yeah, I would be interested in buys if it, but this candle's not big enough. I'd want a bit more weight in this candle. If it were to like come up to the closure of that previous one, I'd be interested in buys. Stand on business. Why you didn't take sell, you coward? You just mark lines. Hey bro, if I took a sell, I'd be stupid like you, and now my stop loss would be hit. So that's why I didn't take a sell, because me and you, we're cut from a different cloth. You type on a chat, call someone a loser for not losing money, and that's why. Crazy difference. Good to have you, Anus. Oh my God. Anus. Can someone teach me virtually of it? I've been reading ebook alone. Oh, look at this candle closure here. Close below this range. I might take an impulse sell. Everything's pretty bearish. Everything's pretty fucking bearish, man. I wish that wick wasn't so long. Oh, you got a long wick. That's the only issue there. Let's have a look at Forex. Yeah, very long wick. See if this can get a bit of a top wick. Very long wick. What's the range here if we were to take it at the break? Sell stop. It's pretty risky. It's pretty extended. I'm not the biggest fan of this green candle, but it's enough for me to put a bit of money on the line. Why are you interesting stand than sit, bro? Just because I do this for a long time and I'd rather stand instead of sit for such a long period of time, that's all. Yeah, that's the only thing. I don't want to sit for so long. Would you rather Diddy candle or a Drake? I'd rather a Drake candle. A Diddy candle is like, yeah, that shit's slipping around and hitting your stop loss. Tuned in from TikTok. Beautiful. You know what's funny? I got a I got a comment on my YouTube just before saying, "Love this video. Can anyone point me to his channel?" You're on the channel. Sale, mate. Yes, sale. What up, Raja7? Oh, party shirt. What up, my G? Party banger. What is up, my brother? My literal brother. Bro, why are you interested in selling? Cause the left side is so messy. No, the left side's clean, brother. Look. Cleanliness. The immediate left is cleanliness. If this breaks the high of the previous candle, I'll delete my order. Yeah, a little breakout over here in Asia. Nothing special. It's a bit overextended, so I just lowered the size a bit. Check 30 to the left. Yeah. How far down is that? It could be enough to take off a bit of size. Yeah. Good observation. I'm not super concerned with it though. How you deal if somebody tell you at this stage that you should have this and that, like other person? If somebody tell you at this age you should have this and that, like other, someone's saying you should have more. I mean, the biggest thing is who the hell was saying that? You know what I mean? Like, you know, the real question is, why are you associating with people like that? Like, why is that even coming into your radar? I have no negativity coming into my radar. Like the idea is to dissociate yourself with that type of shit. Oh, static, he took it. Yeah, W. Good job, man. Good job. Yeah, I really wanted to take it. I hesitated a bit. If I wasn't on stream, I probably would have taken it. I didn't want to influence people to do impulsive trades. Isn't the 15 a bit risky to trade than the 30? Yeah, you use them in conjunction. Like, you don't make a decision on the 15 without the 30 making sense as well. Bro, how to be good at trading? Just do the same thing you did yesterday, but today, and then for a long time. Bro, where can I meet with you? A desert in Dubai. I'll meet you out in the desert. I'll pin the location. Hey, you guys on YouTube, drop a thumbs up for the stream, gang. If we can get to 200 likes, something epic will happen in your life. You'll get a present or something. Hey Daniel, I was offered to go to China for a month. Should I go? It sounds like you're getting flown out by some dude. Some rich dude's flying you out, hey? I mean, if it's going to take you away from your trading, I would say no. I don't get, like, unless you're already rich or have a lot of money or whatever. Daniel, when your podcast coming out with Raja, brother, that is just beyond me now. I have no idea. I've been told too many different things, so I don't know. Desperately waiting to see you lose? Yeah, I mean, it doesn't have to be that desperate. It can happen very easy. It happens most days. So you don't have to wait too long. Or if you're that desperate, you can just go back and watch old streams. Yeah, I'm probably going to cancel this order now and just see if we can get some sort of pullback here. What up, Nate Dog? Do you trade news? If so, what's your advice? My advice is stay away from news because it's gambling. You don't sound too confident today. I'm never confident, or the opposite. I'm just neutral. I'm long beyond the mindset of, oh, this trade's gonna be the one. Like, there's no trade. All it is, you just have a mechanical system, and then when it's presented, you press the button. There's no, oh, I'm so confident in this trade. Like, that's not even a thing, bro. You just do what you're told. You do what the system tells you to do. Oh, look at this. See, I told you this white boy is just... Bro, I'm a white boy. I mean, I'm trying to get a freaking tan, man. Leave me alone. Nah, he didn't goon. He did not goon. What's with the haters? There's weirdos in all departments. They're always lurking. Yeah, you don't force a trade unless you want to give money back. Like, the thing with trading, it's so easy to just give money back unnecessarily. So fucking easy. Oh my god, look at this lady's name. I'm going to delete this. Block. Oh. This is exactly where it was when we were looking at this. Beautiful static. Beautiful work. Static's a young cat here in the mentorship. Static, how old are you? 18? Can you guys imagine being 18 and just fucking crushing on trading? Static live streams as well. I'll start, if you're in the free Discord community, I'll start posting his live streams in there. I mean, when I was 19, can you imagine? Think about what you guys were doing when you're 19. Any tips for holding nerves when you're in profits? Yeah, it's a time thing, bro. It's going to be mainly a time thing. experiencing, and make a conscious effort to try and be chill. Yeah, Akil Born, legit. What's his YouTube? Static, if you want to drop it in there, beer is good. I've always traded London. My whole mindset, and this is something I got from Raja back in the day, is if you just show up to the one session at the one time, you get a real good pulse on like how that session moves. And you know, I've always traded London, but now I trade pretty much every session. But back then, it was most of my trading journey was always London. Everyone calls die static. Yeah, I'll send you guys a free link, the free Discord link. Here it is. I'll put in the YouTube chat right now. No, but what's the name of your channel, Stat? Oh, this is Static's name of his channel right here. There's Static's name. If you guys want to tap in on that, he does a pre-London session live. But how do you manage your emotions? It's hard to operate without fear. Yeah, the first thing is don't think that you can operate without fear. Like, there's always going to be emotions there no matter what. But it's good to trick your brain. I always tell the guys, like, pay attention to your physiology. Like, are you clenching your fists? Are you like being real fiddly? Are you holding your breath? Holding your breath's a big one. Come on, right? Like, pay attention to your physiology and just try and chill. Just trick yourself. I spent so long like pretending to be chill in a trade that it actually made me chill. Raja is my dad. That was hilarious. What's your advice for somebody who wants to eliminate all bad things, background, childhood, toxic trauma? The number one thing is, like, the first step in Alcoholics Anonymous, admit you have a problem. I guess you just admitted that. Second thing is, it's all on you now. It's all on you now. None of that shit is going to serve you. None of that shit can be a crutch. You have to completely delete it out of your mind. It didn't even happen. You had a great childhood. You're a man now, and it's your job. It's your duty just to be that guy, pal. Like, I watch family, because we grew up in a pretty fucking cooked home, and I watch siblings of mine that still use it as a crutch as to why they're cooked, and I'm like, man, that shit's gone. You're in full grown human now. It's up to you. How do you avoid switching bias? It's not a bad idea to switch your bias. That's not a bad thing. Yeah, see what gold's got for us. Yeah, the signs were all there for an NQ impulse sell there. Every sign was there. Every single literally every motherfucking sign was there. I should have taken that. You guys jinxed me. Every single sign was there for an impulse sell. There was not one sign that was not there. That's 20 years of therapy right there, and the man a check. Send the manager. Yeah, you agree with that? Yeah, it's true. You just gotta do it, man. Pleasure is mine, young stat. Crushing it, brother. I said to young static over here, he's 19. I said the other day he made, you know, $800 or something on a trade. I said, how long would that have taken you to make that at work? Because he's got a 9 to 5. He said a week. A week of getting up at 4 a.m., alarm going off. Hey boss, can I go on lunch now? Doing all the dumb shit you don't want to do for what took him one press of a button. Ding. But you don't want to fucking lock in on trading. Okay, bro. Go on a holiday. Waste time with that chick. Jack off to fucking goonie material. Don't go to the gym. Order Uber Eats. While we're locking in here. I made 5,500 Australian dollars yesterday clicking a button. While you guys are jacking off all day. Who's seen that? Who's seen that? Oh, Andy Elliott. What are you jacking off all day? And the dude's like, what do you think I am, jacking off all day? And then he says it. That's so fucking funny. Please be it.
Go look at your paycheck. It's not at least 100 grand a month. You got work to do. A lot of you guys jack off all day.
Ah, it's
Seriously,
the real
like, you
version.
guys just-
I mean, it's good what he's saying. What he's saying is for real.
What are you wearing? What the fuck is that though? That's like jammies. Look at your fucking shirt, man. Does he look like he's a part of y'all's team? You should have wore your Spartan shirt and set the standard.
Spartan shit. Huh? Yeah, all good.
Go look at your paycheck.
Go look at it. Oh, yes, here it is. No, this is the shit version.
It's not at least 100 grand a month. You got work to do.
What does this guy think I jack off all day?
A lot of you guys jack off all day.
Yeah, it's a fucked up world. A lot of people study for 8 years just for AI to take their job. It's a fucked up world, man. I did that. I spent bro, I can't even explain how long I spent working to become a 3D designer. Years. I'm not even joking, years. If I had hours timed up, put together that I spent in front of a computer making 3D designs, it would be sickening. All for AI to kind of come along, and not only that, me just realize that it's just not it. It's just not what I want. I wanted more. You know, you always hear this thing, follow your passion, but sometimes your passion can evolve. And not only that, sometimes passion isn't really what you want. You probably want financial freedom like most people. And your passion isn't going to bring that, bro. Unless your passion is banging 1,000 dudes like that Lily Elliott chick or whatever. Then you'll become a millionaire. How come you didn't take a long position? Because my system didn't tell me to. Would love to get signs of a retracement around here. Johnny, just keep learning, brother. Keep learning. You got a good journey ahead of you, man. Did you build 3D objects for Flight Sim? No. I worked for a video game, so I was a character designer, 3D character designer. Why didn't you make money? You mean with 3D design, Ash? Ash? Or just in life? Your system is not working today. Bro! Did you really think that you could just come on the charts and when you come on, thousands of dollars are just going to present themselves in front of you? Or do you think that maybe you have to wait for that opportunity? That's how it works, bro. You have to wait for the opportunity. It doesn't just come to you immediately as soon as you jump on the charts. Oh, you're from Brisbane, Fiona? Nice. Oh, you got some subs there, Ty. Sick. Oh, yeah. What the fuck? I made money in Asia and London. Yes. Yeah, I agree, Pez. I agree. I just think yeah, it's a deep rabbit hole. It's a deep rabbit hole. You have a funny mouse mat in Etsy to sell if you want. I've already got a good mouse mat, otherwise that'd be pretty cool. Yeah, otherwise I would be keen on that. I do like Halo. Tell me what you're looking for. I mean, just some sort of structure. I'd love to get this to come here and then a red candle to maybe print around here and sell it back down. Sell it back down here. Or if it wants to approach one of these levels. Because that's not my system, Waka. It would be good if you could vlog the beach and shopping at the mall with some lunch. Yeah, but that's boring. No one would watch it. People want to watch like shit exploding and... Nah, I don't even know. We'll see. I got heaps of content coming out. We've got a team of filmers and stuff. They're going to start helping. I use a little bit of liquid FX. Like, not so much as in like a part of the system, but just to identify like areas where price will gravitate. Yeah, so deep, bro. I know. Can you go snorkeling over there? I'm not sure. I doubt it. The water's like hot. It's like not clear. But maybe. I don't know. Couldn't imagine I have the best reefs and shit here. Thailand, yeah. Bintang. Oh, that's Bali. Yeah, this is where I'm going tonight, night golf. I'm vlogging it. Yeah, Australia's got like some of the best waters in the world. I'd need a couple more candles to print on NQ to get interested. You'd have taken 20 trades? 1 to 2 trades a day. That's all that you gotta do. I've just learned the hard way. It's just like fine, just wait for the W setup, like the clean setups that have a proven edge to your system, and then just do that. Anything more than that, you just start becoming a retard. It's not worth it. It's really not worth it. Hey, you guys on TikTok, I'm going to continue this stream over here. I'm going to continue this stream here on YouTube. If you want to come over to YouTube, I'm live there right now. Come over to YouTube. Daniel Holmes Trades, same name as my TikTok name. I accidentally said retard. You can't say that on TikTok. Exactly, Pez. Love the accent. It depends, Mala. It depends on the risk to reward and shit. I wouldn't think about it too much. It doesn't really matter too much. What software for streaming? I use a software called OBS. Yeah, it's called OBS. 560 likers and only 23 likes. It's cap. There's 172 likes. If we can get to 200 likes, you guys, I'll do something. Tanzania. Wait, I'm confused, Ash. I don't know what I said. Yeah, I'm trading NQ, but I don't think we're gonna get anything clean for a couple more candles. One more 15 candle at least. Gold's working its way back up here. Hours flipping. Wow. 4 hours pushing back up. Some sort of trend. Next month I'm going to start streaming Fridays. Nice. Yeah, push it. Yeah, you guys here, Ashley in the chat there is a good trader, man. Real good trader. So moving back up to this level, interesting. We'll see. We'll see, man. 1 hour's about to close. Just got to be patient here, man. You can't force a trade. You have to let it come to you. You guys ever tried to chase a girl? What happens? She runs away further. You have to let her come to you. You gotta let her come to you, my dudes. I was up 5% on my evaluation count, but now I'm down. Now I'm 4% down because I shit trades. Yeah, you just did what 99% of traders do, which is went on an emotional trading spree and damaged your account. So now you need to learn what was the triggers, what are some barriers I'm going to put in place to avoid it happening next time. Look at one of the barriers that I still have here. I still have a personal daily lockout limit. After like 2 losses, my account will lock me out. I can't trade anymore. Do I need it? Probably not, but I still do it because I understand the importance of discipline. Anytime you let your foot off the gas of discipline, you immediately think you're better than the markets. Like you gotta show up every day with the mindset of I'm here to be disciplined today, that's all. Does the mentorship include psychology? Yes. Yes. We hit 200 likes? Yes! Ugh. That's 200 push-ups everyone has to do. If you're in this chat right now and you can't do 10 push-ups, you gotta leave and come back when you can. If that takes a couple months, it's all good. I'm Andy Elliott. I'm the Andy Elliott of I'm the Andy Elliott of trading. Oh fuck, I'm gonna get banned. Alright, we've got 15 seconds here. Oh. Yeah. Forex is breaking out. Futures isn't. 2 candles with no top wicks. Interesting. Oh, spin classes are to death, man. When are you coming to the US? Very soon, actually. I'll be coming to New York soon. New York. Oh, do you hear that neck crack? Fuck. Yeah, Mentorship is suitable for beginners. That's right, yes. Yeah, anyone interested in learning the full system, etc., you just go to danielholmestrades.com. Wow, my face. Could it get any fucking closer to the screen? Yeah, danielholmestrades.com and you'll see all the shits there. There's links in all my stuff. But only for serious people, not like signal chasing people. All right, interesting structure here on these candles. I mean, yeah, we're going to have to fucking be a bit patient here, man. We're going to have to be a bit patient. Can you believe it? Can you believe that you can't come into the charts and just expect to see your setup straight away? Unbelievable. Who would have thought? NQ's got a big wick. I'd love some sort of like pullback and sell opportunity here. Yeah, it broke resistance on the Forex, but you run into the same issue what happened here when it broke resistance. It moved down just one color from the opposite range as well. So from support, it broke through resistance. Last time it broke from resistance through support, just one color. So the exact same things happened and the exact same rules apply. Why do they apply? Because look, if I took a sell based on this one, my trade would have got stopped out now. So why would it change here? Maybe it can keep going up, but I can't just avoid my rules that keep me safe. Yeah, it's suitable for beginners. Yeah. What's my sin? Why would you like to sell in Q if they're above pride? I don't know what you mean, but yeah, just structurally, if it gave the right structural indication that it's a good opportunity to sell. Gold's doing the push-ups legit. Jared Tadler. No, I don't. Pez. Oh, yes. Wait, where do I know this fucking annoying face from? Oh, he's a trader. Yeah, he's a trader. Yeah, I know this guy. Yeah. He's cool, I'm pretty sure. I remember thinking he was cool. Do you find you get more? It's all the same, Ash. It's just a content game. Like, yeah, it's all the same. I really wanted to put more focus into YouTube like a month ago or 2 months ago. I decided I want to put more focus into YouTube, so I was starting to grow on YouTube a lot more. But yeah, they all pop off if you play the game right. Just post good content. Yeah, I remember that, Pez. Yeah, he was cool. I mean, it depends what your purpose is as well, Ash. Like, you know, I'm even going to kick off Facebook, but I have got a Facebook, but I haven't been giving it attention. But yeah, that's the thing. It becomes like a bit of a job. You got to give them all attention. I'll put this noise suppressor on that. That dude's doing the shit again. Yeah, then give them all love for sure then. Give them all love. Tanzania? Yeah, they're still drilling. Crazy, bro. It's like as soon as I start stream, it kicks in. NQ. Oh, NQ, look at you, little sneaky devil. Yeah, make sure you guys give a thumbs up to the stream live every day here for the London session. And if you're not subbed, drop a sub, my dudes. We get subbed up. Subbed off. Yeah, for sure, Ash. I mean, the biggest thing as well with trading, it's like you could be the best trader, but still not grow on social media. Like, the saying, it's like, it's not the best product, it's the best known product. So it's like, what approach are you going to present to the world that shows that you're him type shit? That's what I found. It's like, how are you going to approach like making content? You signed up for the one-on-one but didn't get any email? Just message me on some sort of social media, brother. And let me know. Do you know I Show Speed? No. Yes. I know who that is. Yeah, I've speak to BPC. Co-stream, yeah. Yeah. The algo will love you if you just make good content. That's all it is. The one thing I always realize with creating viral content is like, if it's not viral, then it's just not good enough. That's really it. Obviously, there's like nuances to that because some dumb shit can go viral, but just gonna find a way to make it pop more, like just get the attention, give value and whatever else. Like my last post on TikTok is so dumb, but it got more views than like other posts that have way more value, like informational value in it. And it's just like, because you kind of capitalize on what TikTok pushes more. We have clean traffic for buyers. The only issue is we're just all green so far. So we're going to have to see something. You have to see something over here. NQ. Yeah. With a tropical background. Yeah, fair. Okay. I mean, this is painful to see this when you come into the London session, it just does this. It moves 3 red candles and 4 green candles. It's just like, fuck me, man. Give me a chance. Please, give me a chance. W. Yeah, 15 is the smallest frame. What up, Gian Lakuzari? Yeah, that's the thing, Pez. As you keep making more content, you start getting better at like editing and making it quicker and punchier, and that's dope. Yeah, I trade within a range. Like, I'd be interested in trade within this range if we get the right type of shit. Like, if this were to push down quite heavily and flip red, I might be interested in a sell. Of backtesting? Maybe. Maybe. Yeah, BPC is this legend. Yeah, pretty painful. We'll have to just wait, man. Pretty painful, but we'll have to wait. 4 minutes on these candles. I do take volume into consideration. I certainly do take volume into consideration. Yeah, that's right, Jack. That's exactly right. Holler at this as well, you guys, if you want to join the free Discord community. I'll chuck this in the chat. I'll chuck the link in the chat here. Free Dissy community over here. What up, Kin? Thank you, selling off. It depends, AK. I'm just waiting to see when this candle gets closer to closing. Almost 300 likes, bro. This is the most people I've ever had on the stream at once. 650. Wow, unbelievable. Groundbreaking. Groundbreaking, and there's a drilling in my head from upstairs. Yeah, if this can push stronger red, I'll take a sell. Android 18 is nice when you get to know her. Yeah, that's right. Be happy. What's good, David? What up? What up? What up? David Trades. I mean, when I came into the stream, I said I'd love to get a pullback here and then a sell opportunity here. It's kind of presenting. I want a bit more strength in this body, though. I would love a bit more strength in this body. The thing I learned watching you as patient you are. It's refreshing to see while I'm picking up. Yeah, it's the best way to go, man. It's really the best way to go psychologically. Trading is an absolute... You might as well be locked into fucking maximum... You know how they put the bad people in that like maximum security prison? The hellhole or whatever? Revenge trading and sitting there and over trading is worse than that. You're better off just waiting. Strengthen all our bodies. Yeah, see how it's been a bit of a bitch here? That's not cool. Not only is it not cool, it's slightly painful. NQ's trying to push down. And these people are drilling in my head upstairs. Nice. All right, man. Let's see what. Let's think about this for a second, bro. Let's really think about this for a second. NQ's dog shit for now. Gold doesn't know what it wants to do. What do we have? We got unemployment claims tonight? No, there's nothing tonight. Looks hella weird, yeah. No, there's nothing on gold textbook for me.
I know one day I'll look back and remember the person I was.
I'm going to let this candle develop, and if something can happen on this candle, interesting, I'll get interested. If not, just call it for now.
Only smile on my own and just know I overcame the hardest thing in my life.
Yeah, because there's no point watching it, just watching.
It's hard to justify. I just walk the
We shall see.
You keep telling yourself tomorrow is the day you'll let go. And everyone will tell you to change. Stop being this way. And inside you're gripping your fucking hair, screaming out the same.
You think bodybuilding gave you nice platform for self-control and trading? Not really. Like, it gave me self-control in a lot of departments for sure. But trading's a whole different animal, bro. Trading will trigger fucking childhood trauma type shit.
Never was enough.
Trading will tap right into, like, you know, the first month you were born type beat. So, discipline, yes. Trading psychology, maybe a little bit. Maybe a little bit. Yeah, NVIDIA having earnings, yeah. Edging's much better. How do you handle a losing streak? It's just a time thing, bro. You're just timing the market. You'll know that it's comes in waves. It's just maths. This is all just mathematical shit. So mathematically speaking and probabilistically speaking, you're going to have losing streaks. W Jack. Yeah, I don't look at DXY. Bro, this is unbelievable. Let me turn this noise suppressor off. Listen to this. Fuck me. Oh, they stopped. Bro, I'm literally in a helicopter. It's insane. There it is. Beautiful. Alright, I'll turn the suppressor on. Embrace the noise, yeah. Yeah, suppressor works so good, hey. Yeah, it is literally like a fucking cow. Oh, shout out from Brisbane. Nah, I don't miss it yet. I don't really miss it at all. I never will, but that's cool. Like, yeah, it's all good. Nothing to miss. Like, what do you miss? I don't really care about anything other than just doing stuff. Distract you from success, legit. Good to have you here, Jacob W. Nah, they only do the drilling thing like at this time because they know people are going to be awake and stuff. It won't distract that many people. Yeah, this is painful, you guys. I'm just going to call it. What a fucking shit session. Just coming down red and then just going back up green. There's only 2 colors have printed. No, like, red has printed next to a green at all today. So a bit unfortunate. I might watch a little bit off stream, but for now, it's going to take a while for some structure to develop. There was nearly an impulse. There was an impulse sell position opportunity here on NQ earlier, but you know, it's kind of whatever. But all good. Appreciate you guys. Sorry, nothing happening here, man. It is what it is. It is what it is, unfortunately. All right, but love you guys. I'll catch up with you tomorrow during London. Yeah, I'll catch up with you tomorrow during London. Peace out, gang. Live every day. Yes, that's right. Make sure you drop a subscribe. Peace, gang. Peace.